आरम्भं कुर्मः। रामो राजमणिः सदा विजयते, रामं रमेशं भजे। रामेणाभिहता निशाचरचमूः, रामाय तस्मै नमः। रामान्नास्ति परायणं परतरं, रामस्य दासोऽस्म्यहम्। रामे चित्तलयः सदा भवतु मे, भो राम मामुद्धर। प्रपन्नपारिजाताय स्तोत्रवेत्रैकपाणये, ज्ञानमुद्राय कृष्णाय गीतामृतदुहे नमः। वसुदेवसुतं देवं कंसचाणूरमर्दनं, देवकी परमानन्दं कृष्णं वन्दे जगद्गुरुम्। Namaste Sarvebhya. Welcome to one and all for today's chanting session. Let's start with the second shloka of Dhyana Shloka. From Dhyana Shloka, second one. Now, in this one, Namostute Vyasa Vishala Buddhe. Dhe, the one that is highlighted with the yellow color, they are all Mahapranas. Na, Rasva, Mo, Dirga, Namos. Namos. Then you should say tu. Namostu together. Namo, mo, you are going to drag little, and because there is an avagraha china, stu. Namostu te. Te is also Rasva. Then Vyasa Vishala. Vya is Dirga, Sa Hrisva, Vi Hrisva, Sha Dirga, La Hrisva, Bu. That is Hrisva. De is Mahaprana as well as Hrisva. Pullara Vinda. Pa, not Fu. Don't say Fullara. Pullara Vindayata Patra Netra. Pu. La is Dirga, Ra Hrisva, Vi Hrisva. Vinda, da is Dirga. Vindha, da, yata, all are Hrisva. Patra, that is also Hrisva. Ne is also Hrisva. Tra, Hrisva. Now, coming to the second line, that is third pada. Yena tvaya bharata taila purnaha. Yena tvaya, all are Hrisva. Ya is Dirga. Bharata, bha is Mahaprana as well as Dirga. Purnaha. If in the end, the visarga, the two dots comes, means you have to pronounce that visarga. Bharata taila purnaha. Coming to the next one. Prajwalito jnanamaya pradipaha. Prajwa, va is dirga. Pra is hrisva. Li is dirga. Sorry, hrisva. To dirga. Jnanamaya pradipaha. Jna is the only word which is dirga. The rest are all hrisva. After yaha, the two dots, next letter is pa. So we have to add from if, take the F. Gnanamaya Pradipaha. While reading, we will say Gnanamaya Pradipaha. But when we are reciting, so you are supposed to say Gnanamaya Pradipaha. Pra is also Risva. Di is Dirga. Pa is Risva. Again, I told you in the beginning only that in the end, the Visarga comes, means you have to pronounce the Visarga. Let us start. Malini Radhakrishna Bhagini. Unmute yourself, Bhagini, and say yes, Bhagini. That's all. Because I should come to know that you have unmuted yourself. Malini Radhakrishnan Bhagini. No.
Deepa Bhagini. Deepa Bhagini.
Sarvam Krishna.
Yeah. Namostute. First I will teach you without the tune, then I will teach. Namostute Vyasa Vishala Buddhe.
Namostute Vyasa Vishala Buddhe.
Pullaravindayata Patra Netra.
Pullaravindayata Patra Netra.
Just stress the pa. Pullar, second pa it is. Pullaravindayata Patra Netra. Da is dirga. Vindayata.
Pullaravindayata Patra Netra.
Uttama Bhagini. Yena tvaya bharata taila purnaha.
येन त्वया भारततैलपूर्णः
Once more.
येन त्वया भारततैलपूर्णः
प्रज्वालितो ज्ञानमयः प्रदीपः.
प्रज्वालितो ज्ञानमयः प्रदीपः
Once more.
प्रज्वालितो ज्ञानमयः प्रदीपः.
Uttama Bhagini. Now I'm going to read two lines and you have to tell the 2 lines together. 2
Yes.
times. Namostu te vyasa vishala buddhe phullarvindayata patra netra.
नमोऽस्तु ते व्यासविशालबुद्धे फुल्लारविन्दायतपत्रनेत्र नमोऽस्तु ते व्यासविशालबुद्धे फुल्लारविन्दायतपत्रनेत्र.
Uttama Bhagini. Yena tvaya bharata taila purnah प्रज्वालितो ज्ञानमयः प्रदीपः.
येन त्वया भारततैलपूर्णः प्रज्वालितो ज्ञानमयः प्रदीपः. येन त्वया भारततैलपूर्णः प्रज्वालितो ज्ञानमयः प्रदीपः.
उत्तमं भगिनि, उत्तमं.
Thank you.
Next. Vijayalakshmi R भगिनि.
Namaste भगिनि.
You have learned by muting yourself. Now I will read the two padas together. Namostu te vyasa vishala buddhe phullarvindayata patra netra.
Namostu te vyasa Namostu te vyasa vishala buddhe Khullaravindayata patra netre. Namostu te vyasa vishala buddhe
Don't say fu. Don't say fu, Bhagini. Fu gives another meaning. Phullaravindayata patra netra.
Phullaravindayata patra netra.
No fu.
Phullaravindayata patra netra.
Yena tvaya bharatatailapurnah प्रज्वालितो ज्ञानमयः प्रदीपः.
येन द्वया भारततैलपूर्णः प्रज्वालितो ज्ञानमयः प्रदीपः. येन द्वया
Bhagini, 1 second. Yena dvaya is not there. Yena tvaya.
येन त्वया भारत
तैलपूर्णः
येन त्वया भारततैलपूर्णः प्रज्वालितो ज्ञानमयः प्रदीपः. येन त्वया भारततैलपूर्णः प्रज्वालितो ज्ञानमयः प्रदीपः.
उत्तमं भगिनि.
विजयलक्ष्मी आर भगिनी. विजयलक्ष्मी आर भगिनी.
महोदय विजय कल्याणी वा विजयलक्ष्मी वा?
विजयलक्ष्मी आर. श्रीदेवी सूर्यनारायणन भगिनी.
नमस्ते महोदय.
Now I will tell the entire shloka Bhagini. Now you will tell. Namostu te vyasa vishala buddhe phullarvindayata पुल्लारविन्दायतपत्रनेत्र येन त्वया भारततैलपूर्णः प्रज्वालितो ज्ञानमयः प्रदीपः।
नमोऽस्तु ते व्यासविशालबुद्धे पुल्लारविन्दायतपत्रनेत्र येन त्वया भारततैलपूर्णः प्रज्वालितो ज्ञानमयप्रदीपः।
उत्तमं भगिनी, उत्तमम् उत्तमम्. One more person we will give a chance. Thank you भगिनी.
Thank you.
Savitri Pradeep भगिनी.
Savita Pradeep, no, ma'am.
Savita Pradeep. Okay. Sorry भगिनी. We are
It's
also
okay.
new to this. Will
It's
you be
okay.
able to recite by yourself, Bhagini?
Yes, Bhagini.
Yes. Thank you.
नमोऽस्तु ते व्यासविशालबुद्धे पुल्लारविन्दायतपत्रनेत्र येन त्वया भारततैलपूर्णः प्रज्वालितो ज्ञानमयः प्रदीपः।
Uttamam Bhagini, Uttamam. We'll move on to the next one. I will make again towards the end of the class, I will give you the division. Gayatri Arunachalam Bhagini.
Bhagini.
The third one. See, Prapanna, Prapanna. That is na is two. So two nas. Prapanna, all are hrisva. Parijataya. Pa is dirgha. Ri hrisva. Ja again dirgha. Ta dirgha. Ya. Prapanna. I told you that the hrisva less time is taken. And for dirgha, it is more time. More than one matra kala and two matra kalas. So for hrisva, one matra kala. For dirgha, two matra kalas. Prapanna parijataya. Pa, take more time. Ri, less time. Ja, more time. Ta, more time. Ya, that's all. Totra vetraika panaye. Totra, to is again, just is to, that's all. Tra, hrisva, everything. Ve is hrisva. Trai, that is dirgha. Ka, hrisva. Pa, dirgha. Na, dirgha. Ye. Now coming to the next one. Jnana Mudraya Krishnaya Geetamrita Duhe Namaha. You must be hearing from 2 days. I am telling in the Dhyana Shloka. Nya is dirgha, na hrisva, mu again hrisva, dra dirgha, ya hrisva, kri hrisva, na krishnaya, krushnaya, don't say krishnaya, krishnaya, na dirgha, ya hrisva, Gita, gi again dirgha, ta dirgha, mr, don't say mru, mruta duhe, all are hrisva, namaha, nama both are hrisva, but in the end if visarga comes, we have to pronounce ha. That is whatever the akshara comes according to that. Namaha. Okay, let us start again. Prapanna parijataya.
Prapanna parijataya. Prapanna parijataya.
Stotra vetraika panaye.
Stotra vetraika
Stotra vetrai.
Stotra vetraika panaye. Stotra vetraika panaye.
Don't say totra vai, don't totra, once more. Totra vetraika. Ve, give it a chance. You will come back to try. Totra vetraika.
Stotra vetraika panaye.
Uttamam. Jnana mudraya krishnaya.
Jnana mudraya krishnaya. Jnana mudraya krishnaya.
Geetamrita duhe namaha.
Geetamrita duhe namaha. Geetamrita duhe namaha.
Uttamam Bhagini, Uttamam.
धन्यवाद भगिनी.
Sri Vidya Prasad Bhagini.
Yeah, hello?
Yeah, I will read
Hello.
the entire line. You will tell two times Bhagini. Prapanna parijataya stotra vetraika panaye.
प्रपन्नपारिजाताय स्तोत्रवेत्रैकपाणये प्रपन्नपारिजाताय स्तोत्रवेत्रैकपाणये
Uttamam Bhagini. Jnanamudraya Krishnaya Geetamrutaduhe Namaha.
ज्ञानमुद्राय कृष्णाय गीतामृतदुहे नमः ज्ञानमुद्राय कृष्णाय गीतामृतदुहे नमः
Uttamam Bhagini.
धन्यवादः
Sri Vidya Prasad Bhagini. Sorry, Sri Devi Murugaraj Bhagini.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. I'm going to recite two padas together. That is one line. Two padas make one line. Prapanna parijataya one pada. Stotra vetrika. So I'm going to recite the whole sentence. You have to repeat 2 times. Bhagini. Prapanna parijataya stotra vetraika panaye.
प्रपन्नपारिजाताय स्तोत्रवेत्रैकपाणये प्रपन्नपारिजाताय स्तोत्रवेत्रैकपाणये
Uttamam Bhagini. Jnanamudraya Krishnaya Geetamrutaduhe Namaha.
ज्ञानमुद्राय कृष्णाय गीतामृतदुहे नमः ज्ञानमुद्राय कृष्णाय गीतामृतदुहे नमः
Here, Bhagini, instead of Geetamruda, Geetamruta, tha, pronounce the first tha, na. So, first tha. Repeat for that one. Geetamruta duhe namaha.
गीतामृतदुहे नमः
Now, Jnana Mudraya.
ज्ञानमुद्राय कृष्णाय गीतामृतदुहे नमः
Uttamam, Bhagini, Uttamam.
Thank you.
Anita, yes, Bhagini?
Yes, ma'am.
I'm going to read the entire shloka, Bhagini. Prapanna parijataya stotra vetraika panaye jnanamudraya krishnaya geetamruta duhe namaha.
प्रपन्नपारिजाताय स्तोत्रवेत्रैकपाणये ज्ञानमुद्राय कृष्णाय गीतामृतदुहे नमः
Uttamam, Bhagini, very uttamam. Very nice. One more devotee. Rajan Narayan Mahodaya. Yeah, Bhagini, I'll give it a chance to everyone.
Oh,
We'll be calling you. Mahodaya, can you recite on your own, Mahodaya?
Sure, Mate.
Yeah.
Prapanna parijataya stotra vetraikapanaye jnana mudraya krishnaya geetamruta tuhe namaha.
Uttamam, Mahodaya.
Thank you, Mata.
Let's move on to the next one. Suresh Kumar Mahodaya.
Yes.
Vasudeva Sutam Devam. Makara is right, but we are using Anuswara rule. So as I said, Vasudeva Sutam Makara. Instead of Makara, next word is the. So fifth word of letter of the varga is ta, the, na. So Vasudeva Sutam Devam. Again I repeat, Vasudeva Sutam is also right, but we are using Anuswara in this our class. So as a result, instead of Makara, Vasudeva Sutam Devam, Tam is there. So next letter is what? The. So the comes in the tha varga. So as a result, ta, the, na. Vasudeva Sutam Devam Kamsa Chanura Mardanam. Vasudeva Sutan. All are Risva. Devam. That is, De is the only one which is, that is also Risva only. Devam Kamsa Chanura Mardanam. Kam. Come, you have to say makara only. Sa, cha is the word which is dirgha. Nu, dirgha. Ta, nu, ra is hriswa. Mardhanam, all are hriswa. But and last ma is half. You can see a line below the ma. Vasudeva sutan devam kamsa chanura mardhanam. Don't say mardhanama like that. Mardhanam. When I say half, you should understand that there is half. Okay, coming to the second line, third pada. Devaki Paramanandam. It ends there only. So pada ends. Whenever the pada ends, we have to say makara. Devaki Paraman. Even in Devam, we have kept that as makara only because the first pada is Vasudeva Sutam Devam. That's all. Now coming to the third pada, Devaki Paramanandam. Devaki. Ki is dirgha. Parama, ma is dirgha. Nandam, makara only because the pada ends there only. Krishnam vande jagadgurum. Krishnam. Next letter is va. So whenever you get ya, va, la, we have to use the same one. Krishnau vande. Krishnau vande jagad gurum. Jagad, the is ha. Jagad gurum. Let us start, Mahodaya. Vasudeva sutan devam.
Vasudeva sutan devam. Vasudeva sutan devam.
Uttamam, Mahodaya. Kamsa chanuramardanam.
Kamsa chanuramardanam. Kamsa chanuramardanam.
Devaki Paramanandam.
Devaki Paramanandam. Devaki Paramanandam.
Krishnau vande jagadgurum.
Krishnau vande jagadgurum. Krishnau vande jagadgurum.
Uttama, Mahodaya. Uttama. Archana Bhagini.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So I'm going to read one line. You will repeat 2 times, Bhagini.
Okay. Okay, Bhagini.
We are changing the Nakara Anuswara rule according to now Vyoma Lab and others. Nowadays, they are reciting with Anuswara, using Anuswara rules only. And otherwise, Makara is also correct and Nakara is also correct. When you are doing, yeah, but in our class, we are using Nakara. So that is why Anuswara rule I told. Nothing is wrong. Yeah. Vasudeva Sutan. Somebody asked this question, I'm giving them the answer. That's all. Sorry. Bhagini, now ready. Vasudeva Sutan Devam Kansa Chanuramardanam.
Vasudeva Sutan Devam Kamsa Chanuramardanam. Vasudeva Sutan Devam Kamsa Chanuramardanam.
Uttamam, Bhagini. Devaki Paramanandam Krishnau vande jagadgurum.
Devaki Paramanandam Krishnau vande jagadgurum. Devaki Paramanandam Krishnau vande jagadgurum.
Uttamam, Bhagini. Uttamam. Very nice. Bhavani, Bhagini.
Hari Om Mata.
I'm going to read the entire shloka, Bhagini. Vasud. Your good name, full good name, Bhagini.
Bhavani Bhagini.
Bhavani, continue.
Surya.
Bhavani Surya. Okay, Bhagini. And Mahodaya asked the question. I'm just again and again repeating that the Makara is also right. We have learned through Makara only, then we changed over to this Nakara. Vyoma labs, some Sanskrit labs, they are using Nakara only nowadays. I'm going to read the entire shloka, Bhagini. You repeat. Vasudeva Sutan Devam Kamsa Chanuramardanam Devaki Paramanandam Krishnau vande jagadgurum.
वसुदेवसुतं देवं कंसचानूरमर्दनं देवकी परमानन्दं कृष्णौ वन्दे जगद्गुरुम्
Uttamam
वसुदेव
Bhagini. Only once. We will give chance to others also. Kavya Karthik Bhagini. Kavya Karthikeyan Bhagini.
Namaste Bhagini.
Will you be able to recite the entire one, Bhagini?
I'll repeat after you, Bhagini.
Then I will take the next sloka for you, Bhagini. We will give chance to others.
Okay.
Kalyani Rajan Bhagini.
Namaste, Bhagini.
Okay. Will you be able to recite the entire sloka, Bhagini?
Yes, Bhagini.
Yeah.
Vasudeva Sutam Deva Kamsachanuramardanam Devaki Paramanandam Krishnam Vande Jagadgurum.
Uttamam Bhagini. Uttamam. Let us go for the next one. What's her name? The previous Kavya Karthikeyan Bhagini.
Yes, Bhagini.
Now Bhishma Drona Tatha Jayadrata Jala. That is first part. Bhi is Mahaprana and Dirga. Bhishma. Sha is there after. Ma. Agrahrisva. Dro. Dirga. Na. There is not Dirga. Na is Dirga. Na Hrisva. Ta Dirga. Hrisva. Ta. Ta is Dirga. Coming to the second one. Jayadrata Jala. Jaya. Both are Hrisva. Dra. Hrisva. Tha. Second tha. 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 Second tha. That is Mahaprana. Jala. La is Dirga. Wherever that is highlighted, you have to stress little. When we are continuously reciting, you have to recite, less effort is required. But when now to learn, you have to say Bhishma, Thala, that is the Jala, like that. Gandhara, Ka is Dirga, Naha, Dha, Ta, Ta, Da, Dha, Dha, Mahaprana, Dirga, Ra, Hrisva, Ni, Dirga, Lo, Hrisva, Lilo, Ta is half, Pala, Pa is Hrisva, La is Dirga. Let us start. Then Shalyagrahavati, Shalyagrahavati, Sha, La is half, Ya, Shalya, all are Hrisva, Gra, Dirga, Havati, Ha, Va, Hrisva, Ti, Dirga, Kripena, don't say Krupena, Kripena, Kripe, all are Hrisva, Vahani, Ni is Dirga, Karnena, Karnena, Vela, Kula, Karnena, Na, all are Hrisva, Vela, La is Dirga, Kula, La is Dirga. Next, Karne, Ashwathama, Vikarna, Ashwathama, Tha is again, Ta, Ta, Tha, that is Tha, second Tha, Ashwat, Shwa, it is Samyuktakshara, Ashwa, all are Hrisva, Tha, Dirga, Tha, Ma is Hrisva, Vikarna, Vi is Hrisva, Karna, Hrisva, Gho, that is Ka, Ka, Gha, Gha, that is second Gha, Kho, Go is Mahaprana and Dirga, Ghora Makara, Ra, Ma, Ka, all are Hrisva, Ra is Dirga, Duryodhana Vartini, Duryo, Yo is Dirga, Dhana, Dha again Mahaprana, Na, Dirga, Vartini, Vartini, Ti, all are Hrisva, Ni is Dirga. So, Tirna, Ti, there are two Tis. So is Dirga. Ti is also Dirga, but stress that one, little stress. Is not Mahaprana. Two Thas are joined, Samyuktakshara. So, Tirna, all are Dirga. Khalu, second Kha, Kha, Khalu, Pandavai. Pa is Dirga, the rest are all Hrisva. Rana Nadi, all are Hrisva except Di. Di is Dirga. Kaivartakaha. Now, I told you, whenever you come across, after the Visarga, you come across Ka letter, you have to pronounce Ha, Upadmani. I told you, Jihva Mulya. Kaivartaka Keshavaha. Kaivartaka Keshavaha. and in the end Visarga comes, we have to pronounce the Vaha. So Kaivartaka Keshavaha. Let us start beginning. Bhishma Drona Tata.
Bhishma Drona Tata.
Bhishma Drona Tata.
Bhishma Drona Tata.
Drona. Bhishma Drona Tata.
Bhishma Drona Tata.
Jayadrata Jala.
Jayadrata.
Jayadrata Jala.
Jayadrata.
Jala.
Jala.
Gandhara Nilotpala.
Gana.
Gandhara Nilotpala.
Gandharani Lotpala.
Uttamam. Once more.
Gandharani
Pala.
Lotpala.
Shalyagrahavati.
Shalyadgrahavati.
Kripena Vahani.
Krupena Vahani.
Once more.
Krupena Vahani.
Karnena Velakula.
Karne Vela.
Karnena. Karnena.
Karnena
Velakula.
Velakula.
Uttamam bagini. Uttamam. Yeah. Geeta Shekhar Bhagini.
Namaste, Bhagini.
Kindly don't scribble on the PDF. Yeah, please note that. Bhagini, I will start from the beginning. Bhishma Drona Tata Jayadhrata Jala.
Aham vadami,
Ah.
Bhishmadronatata Jayadratha Jala.
Once more, Bhagini.
Bhishmadronatata Jayadratha Jala.
Gandhara Nilotpala.
Gandhara Nilotpala. Gandhara Nilotpala.
Shalyagrahavati Krupena Vahani.
Shalyagrahavati Kripena Vahani. Shalyagrahavati Kripena Vahani.
Karnena Velakula.
Karnena Velakula.
Bhagini, I am going to recite. Say Bhagini.
Karnena Velakula.
I am going to repeat the whole thing, 2 lines together, all 4 padas. Bhishma Drona Tata Jayadhrata Jala. Gandhara Nilotpala. Shalyagrahavati Krupena Vahani. Karnena Velakula.
Bhishmadronatata Jayadratha Jala. Gandhara Nilotpala. Shalyagrahavati Kripena Vahani. Karnena Velakula.
Shalya, Shankara Sha Bhagini. Once more.
Shalyagrahavati Kripena Vahani. Karnena Velakula.
Uttamam Bhagini, Uttamam. Next one.
Dhanyavad.
Padmavati Bhagini. Padmavati Bhagini.
Ha Bhagini.
Ashwathama Vikarna Ghora Makara.
Ashwathama Vikarna.
Ashwatha, yellow highlighted words. You have to stress. Ashwathama.
Ashwathama Vikarna Ghora Makara.
Once more.
अश्वत्थाम विकर्ण घोरमकरा
घोरमकरा घो
घोरमकरा
दुर्योधनावर्तिनी
दुर्योधनावर्तिनी दुर्योधनावर्तिनी
सोत्तीर्णा खलु पाण्डवैरणनदी
सोत्तीर्णा खलु पाण्डवैरजन्
रणनदी
नदी
रणनदी
सोत्तीर्णा कुल पाण्डवै
Kula is not there. Khalu, kha, khalu. Sotirna khalu pandavairananadi.
सोत्तीर्णा खलु पाण्डवैरणनदी
कैवर्तकः केशवः
कैवर्तकस्केशवः
कैवर्तकः ha should come from your this one. कैवर्तकः केशवः
कैवर्तकः केशवः
उत्तमम्
कैवर्तकः केशवः
उत्तमं भगिनी उत्तमं. Next one. उमावती भगिनी.
Yes, Bhagini.
I'm going to read the 2 lines. You are going to repeat Bhagini 2 times.
Yes, Bhagini.
Ashwatthama vikarna ghora makara duryodhanavardhini sottirna khalu pandavairananadi kaivartakah keshavaha.
Ashwatthama vikarna ghora makara duryodhana
Slowly, slowly,
vardhini.
Bhagini. Now, see the yellow highlighted, yellow is kada. You have to stress. Ashwatthama vikarna. Slowly you go. Don't, there is no hurry.
Okay.
Ashwatthama vikarna ghora makara.
Ashwatthama vikarna ghora makara. Ashwatthama vikarna ghora makara.
Bhagini, you are stopping. I will call somebody else. Then you see them also. Then you recite again. Okay?
Okay.
Saraswati Guru Raj Bhagini.
Hari Om.
Hari Om. Now don't stop until you have to watch me how I am going to do it, Bhagini. Ashwatthama vikarna ghora makara.
Ashwatthama vikarna ghora makara.
Stop it, Bhagini. I am going to read the entire line. Ashwatthama vikarna ghora makara duryodhanavartini.
Ashwatthama vikarna ghora makara duryodhanavartini. Ashwatthama vikarna ghora makara duryodhanavartini.
Sottirna khalu pandavairananadi kaivartakah keshavaha.
Sottirna khalu pandavairananadi kaivartakah keshavaha. Sottirna khalu pandavairananadi kaivartakah keshavaha.
Uttamam Bhagini, uttamam. The person whom we called, who is that? Umavati Bhagini, will you be able to recite now?
Yes, sir. Yes, Bhagini. Ashwatthama vikarna ghora makara.
Magara no, makara.
Makara. Duryodhana vardhini. Vardhini.
No, Vardhini.
Vartini. Duryodhana Vartini. Sotirna Kalu Pandavai Ranati Kesava
कैवर्तकः
केशवः
Pran-
कैवर्तः केशवः
you have to practice beginning, not Kesavaha, it is Shankarasha. Keshavaha, Keshavaha. Practice.
केशवः ओके यस भगिनी थैंक यू
Next one. Full shloka. Time is going. N Padma Bhagini. The others kindly mute yourself. Wait. Uma Bhagini, kindly mute yourself. Padma Bhagini.
Namaste.
You are going to recite the entire shloka. You are going to recite. Bhishma Drona Tata Jayadhrata Jala Gandhara Nilotpala Shalyagrahavati Krupena Vahani Karnena Velakula Ashwathama Vikarna Ghora Makara Duryodhana Vartini Sotirna Khalu Pandavairana Nadi Kaivartakah Keshavaha.
भीष्मद्रोणतटा जयद्रथ जला
Once more,
गान्धार
go back, Bhagini.
भीष्मद्रोणतटा जयद्रथ
No, you
जला
are not going to stop anywhere. Bhishma Drona Tata Jayadrata Jala. Jayadrata is one more person.
जयद्रथ जयद्रथ जला भीष्मद्रोणतटा जयद्रथ जला गान्धारनी गान्धारनीलोत्पला शल्याग्रहवती
Shalyaya is not Dirgha. Shalyagrahavati Krupena Vahani Karnena Velakula.
शल्यग्राहवती कृपेण वहनी कर्णेन वेलाकुला अश्वत्थाम विकर्णघोरमकरा दुर्योधनावर्तिनी सोतीर्णः खलु पाण्डवै रणनदी कैवर्तकः केशवः.
Now I'm going to recite the entire shloka that we have covered. Tomorrow, as soon as the class starts, you have to give me this one. By watching the YouTube, you can practice yourself at home. And then tomorrow we will do the revision as the time is going on. Om Shri Paramatmane Namaha. Om Parthaya Pratibhoditam Bhagavata Narayanena Swayam Vyasena Ghatitam Purana Munina Madhye Mahabharatam Advaitamritavarshinim Bhagavati Ashtadashadhyayini Ambattvamanusandathami Bhagavad-gite Bhavadveshini Namostute Vyasa Vishala Buddhe Pullara-vindayata Patra Netra Yena Tvaya Bharata Taila Purnaha Prajvalito Jnanamaya Pradipaha Prapanna Parijataya Stotravetraikapadaye Jnanamudraya Krishnaya Geetamrutaduhe Namaha Vasudeva Sutandevam Kamsachanuramardanam Devaki Paramanandam Krishnau Vande Jagadgurum Bhishmadrona-tata Jayadratha-jala Gandhara-nilotpala Shalyagrahavati Krupena Vahani Karnena Velakula Ashwathama Vikarna Ghora-makara Duryodhana-vartini Sothirna Khalu Pandavairana Nadi Kaivartakah Keshavaha. Samapyamaha. Om Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. धन्यवादः सर्वेभ्यः. पुनर्मिलामः. राम राम राम. So we are going